This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Logan Speaker. Enjoy this charming cottage in the heart of Norfolk. Home boasts original hardwoods, 2 large bedrooms with an updated bathroom and kitchen. Tankless water heater installed 2016. HVAC replaced in 2018. Custom 10 width by 12 depth by 12 height work shed with 2 storage lofts and workbench with power source. Irrigation well for your convenience in the back corner of a sprawling large backyard. Driveway leads to double swing gates for ample parking, extra vehicle or RV storage. Perfectly located minutes from I-64, military bases, shopping centers, mall. Enjoy a short commute to beaches and all of what downtown Norfolk has to offer. For more information